Alright, here we are now with a new game called Elemon. Just fused, just hatched these new creatures. Just go to the tutorial now how to play it. Formation. Bring new. Change the formation the way you want them. That's pretty cool. Try that. Right, here we go. Looks like you don't gotta do anything on this game. Just oh, hang on. Whoa, get in with the scissor hammer. Doom Desire. Just like that. It went fantastic. Quite okay. Even though this is offline, PvE, you're still gonna get more Elemon coins and some gems or something by the looks of it. So, congratulations, you're a genius. Well, thank you. Moving on to the next chapter. Next enemies are stronger. What is that? I get another one now. All of these instructions. Calm down. Here we go again. Oh, different background this time. That's it. Be shy. Just like faze. That was meant to be harder. I mean, another fight. Three of these. Elemon. We've got here like a statistic. Archon. Characters level up. Okay. Estimate cost. Alright. Items needed. 20 coins. 77. Okay, level up. Just like that. That's you do before and after. That's really good. Really, very good. There that is. Right, I'm there. Great. The Elemons are so powerful. People forget to level up. Start them regularly. Alright. Oh. Your idle chest is full. Check it out. Alrighty then. Check it out. Chest. The longer the AFK time, the more benefits you'll receive. Your rewards also depend on the number of Elemons you farm in the idle mode. Oh, I'm liking the sound of this. Receive. Wow, well. Considering I've only been playing this game for like 10 minutes, I'm happy with that. Wait. Oh, there's a countdown. Okay. Farm. One Elemon required. Yeah, we'll come back to this now. Back on this. Skills. Ooh. Everything's happening so fast here. Good choice. I'm sure now you are ready to fight Elemon. Oh no. Compound, the word, sorry. Elimetric, my hero. Level up. Spinning, perform a massive lightning ball, dealing 17 plus 3. New level. Magic damage to all enemies on the map. And reducing all enemies. Physic. Defense. Air by 10%. 2 turns. Well, we're happy with that. Insufficient skill. Lying about it. Alright, we're going after these things. Well, why vote even doing it then? I ain't going after it. Certainly start up. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I'm guessing every time you're doing this, you're pretty much minting a new NFT. Obviously, this particular NFT with a 309985 and a certain stats. And obviously, you level it up then. technically have to mint a new NFT with new stats, so this is probably what we're paying for here. Okay. Alright. Okay. Still level 2 though, so... Telling me to start it up. Do this one. This is level 1, so let's try this one. We're gonna fly through B&B at this rate, I tell you that right now. Level 1, so how am I leveling it up? I don't. HP plus 21. Okay, maybe you should stay in the same level, but just up in the statistics. Look at this little fox head running around. What's this quest about then? Okay, here we go. Level up the hero 1 time. Yes, I'm happy with that. Fantastic, I like the rewards. Skill up times 1. Did that, so yeah, okay. Good, it gives you an iSave to log in every day. Yeah, so if you log in for 2 days, okay, get a bit more. 2 days login, acquire 5 heroes. The weekly ones, plenty, a lot going on here. I'm feeling this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really feeling this. Plan going on, coming soon. Infantry coming. Nope, we need infantry. XP. Equipment. Nothing yet. Fine. Ooh, yes, this is where the music goes on. Interesting. We'll have to look into that soon, I think. And alright, let's get back to the map. This guy. Is this one fighting? Nope, I looked a bit. I think I'm gonna lose this. Give it a go. 2 versus 1. Whoa, straight in. He's not even touching us. Look at that. Wasn't even a scratch on the shoulder, that. I think I did read somewhere. You can re-attack if you play the same mission again. Reward, not fight. Which is good, because if you get stuck, you can obviously go back and fight again. Yeah, you've got times 2 as well. Alright, quick. You get to do anything. Re-attack. If we do that again, we have 5 and 4. We'll re-attack. Alright. 5 and 4 on the last one. That's exactly the same there. Happy days, I can do this all day. Hang on, your chest is glowing here. Let's look at that. Look at that. More rewards. This game just like it out. I can tell you that right now. How's our chest looking? "31 minutes, so we're at 28 minutes at the moment, so we're not too far away, so we're going to keep on going a second. Withdraw, deposit, referral link, that's pretty cool. PvP. There's like a leaderboard going on. This guy's king of the hill, I know. This good as well. Take another one, shall we? Let's see what else comes out the Magic Kinder Egg box. We've got plenty of B&B, let me tell you that right now. I wonder what we're gonna have this time. Looking here on this chart here, it looks like a B, an A, an S, an SS, and an... So this is the chances, I'm guessing. So the odds of us getting a B and an A are pretty high. The chances of us getting an S, quite low. SS is like once in a blue moon, and then the triple S is like, yeah, that's winning a lottery kind of stuff. It ain't gonna happen. Well, not to me anyway, so... I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with this game at the moment. Even though this game is a tester, you know, it's not the full game, but it's a tester before the game gets properly released, which is good. They're giving the community a chance to play the game first. Gives everybody an idea what they're getting involved in before they actually invest the money. Look at this guy. Hang on. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, we're gonna call him the Waterman. Right, on this note, we've run out of money here, so we're gonna do one more fight. Right, here we go. Where's my new guy? Ooh, hunting. Doom Desire. I like that. Not that. Let's see if we can get the new guy in here. We're going to do one more. Formation. We'll add in little bubbles. Little Waterman. Yeah, that's a good formation. Alright, here we go. This guy looks too happy. He looks too happy to fight. I feel bad for killing him. Hang on, he just... Whoa. Killed one of our people already. One shot. Don't tell me it was Bubbles that died. Oh. Fantastic. There we are. I'm gonna leave it as that for now. Oh, here we are. 32 minutes have gone by. Click on receive. What the hell? You can receive rewards up to 27 minutes. Well, hang about, yeah? Just said 31. You can receive rewards every 1 hour. The longer you live, the farm. Ah, right. Do I get one of these in here? Oh, there we are. Bubbles is in. Farm success. Just added 2 now. It looks like maybe the higher the rank you are, the more characters you could put in there. Stay tuned. Look forward to another video. As they say in Landau, ciao for now.